Meet Hoek Home, a sustainable furniture line based in Red Hook in Brooklyn, New York. This is their headquarters, where every piece of Hoek furniture is designed and built by a small team of highly skilled makers, designers, and robots. Hoek is the brainchild of Connor Coughlin and Brian Shu, a duo known for combining cutting-edge technology with traditional carpentry techniques. Their mission was to make everything with sustainable and recyclable materials, as well as locally sourced. They believe innovative design has the power to transform the way people live. Beautiful and accessible furniture can simplify our lives. It gives people more time to do the things that matter most in life, and it can absolutely make Earth a more sustainable world for us all. With their desks, coffee tables, side tables, stools, and benches, Hoek is making an impact on modern furniture design. Recycled, assembled in seconds, clicking into place with ease and a smile, Hoek is furniture simplified.